Welcome back to the channels, guys. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and today is a video that I have been wanting to make for quite some time, but I hadn't had the stuff, as one would say. I've been waiting for a package because they were on back order from Concept Z Performance, and let's get into it. It's an unboxing video for, I wanted to do it this year, but the weather's turning cold as it is fall right now. But let me show you what I've got here. Right now, I have got, hopefully you guys can see this halfway decently. I've already opened the box a little bit, but it's really this. We're gonna show you in this giant box here with all this beautiful paper. Inside is two boxes. One of them already opened. Let's just get all this paper out of here right now. We're just gonna make a mess. Pull these boxes out. Pull these boxes out. We're gonna have this box come on out. All right, here we go. Let's show what's in this box, guys. Hopefully you guys can see this halfway decently. Here, let's get you a little closer. In this box, what do you think it is, guys? I mean, the name of the video is gonna tell you to begin with, but I'm just super stoked. That's right, everybody. I have my brand new redone turbos from Concept Z Performance, which is direct. Oh, these bad boys are great. Let's see if I can get this opened up halfway decently. Let's do this on my table. My kitchen table here doesn't take a giant dent on it. But these bad boys right here. Ta-da! That's right. I got Garrett Turbos. Turbos, as one would say. These guys right here, let's get a zoom in look. That's 431876-50705 or an S. I think it's an S. Garrett Turbos redone center chars. Let's see if I can take a look at this here and show you these. This is something I've been wanting for quite some time, and these have got brand new centers there, fluted center. Or I won't say fluted, but these are the inlet sides, an AFR 45. The exhaust side should be a 5.7, which is going to be labeled, or 5.4, which is labeled, oh yeah, come on here, boys. It is labeled right there. Hopefully you guys can see that well. Let's see if I can get that better lighting. These are the 5.4. Let's see if that right there. It's 5.4. I got a pair. This is just the one I got. Sorry about that, guys. Here, let's do that again. These are a 4-bolt flange. These are automatic turbos, which, if anyone knows, my car is manual swapped. So what I'm trying to do with all the parts I'm doing is I want to get in boost right away, and I'm not going for peaky horsepower. I'm going for 400, 450 tops. You know, nothing crazy. So I went with a stock style turbo, which what this is, just that it has been completely redone with a lighter weight billet aluminum wheel, compressor wheel. These have been redone completely. These look fantastic on this, so huzzah. And while I did that on the kit, I bought new oil lines and a full gasket kit from Concept Z for the turbos, which all in all, when it's said and done on this, is better than, well, and let's see, here's more hoses. So it looks like it comes, like this kit comes in with, you know, the outlet, inlet, or exhaust, the manifold housing, the in and outlets on the turbos for compressor, the downpipe, new oil lines, new washers everywhere, crush washers, and looks like drain pipes, which means I didn't need to buy. If anyone's seen my previous videos, I didn't need to buy those. I apparently get them in this kit. Let's get the other turbo up and out and have the whole pair here on the table. Here we go, guys. Here's the turbo stuff that I picked up. These were back ordered for a while, but brand new pair, redone automatic turbos, which is the 5.4, if I remember right, AR ratio on these things, so they should spool up faster. I did get on both of these the upgraded billet compressor wheels because I wanted them to spool up faster. So, and they should all be redone. Let's take a look at them here just to see the differences, and I will have to figure out which one's which later on, but as you can see, each turbo is slightly different, as in, you know, you got this wastegate actuator here with this side. I'm not sure which side this is, if this is driver's or passenger side, and it's slightly different. So they do come correctly, and on the back of them, they have brand new studs, are redone on either side, so you can see how this is clocked massively differently on either one of these, which is quite amazing, to be honest with you, because one side's got a flange here, other one's there, for how this works. I'm thinking this is passengers and this is drivers. I could be wrong. I'll figure it out when I get on the car. But I am just super impressed. And this is a simple unboxing video of these guys. This will go on in the springtime, as I do not have a heated garage, and I am 90% of the way there having all the parts, if not more. These were the majors. Everything now is all little stuff to pick up, like this type of stuff, which I have vast majority of those, but I've got little odds and ends I gotta get. But the turbos are good. They're good. They're gonna stay in the house all winter here. But I am just super thrilled with these, the way they look. So, all right, everyone, that's gonna do it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Every little bit helps this channel out. I haven't quite hit my threshold yet for what's going on to get this as a monetary, but you know, I just look at those brand new turbos, so pretty, so pretty. So everyone, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.